In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Microsoft Clipchamp's new light mode. If you've been using Clipchamp for your video editing needs, you might have noticed the introduction of a new light mode feature. Some of us prefer the bright, clean look of light mode, while others may favor the classic dark theme for its ease on the eyes during late night editing sessions. Whatever your preference, switching between these modes is a breeze, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to access Clipchamp, so go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to app.clipchamp.com. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to enter your credentials to proceed. Once you're in Clipchamp's main dashboard, the first thing you want to do is click on Create a New Video. This isn't just about starting a new project, it's how you'll access further settings that are sometimes hidden during other operations. By doing this, you ensure that you have the complete interface options available. Next, you'll find your way to the account settings, which is where the magic happens. At the top right corner of your screen, you should see an icon or an avatar representing your account. Clicking on this will unfold a drop-down menu with several options. Among these, select Account. This section holds all the account-related preferences you might need to adjust, and within it, the setting for light mode. Now, once you've clicked on Account, a new menu will appear and you should proceed by clicking on Settings. This is where the customization options start becoming more interesting. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the settings available, as this can enhance your overall experience with the software. After entering the settings menu, direct your attention to the General tab. This section accommodates basic and essential settings, including the theme switcher. Click on General and you're almost there. Finally, within the General settings, you'll notice an option that allows you to select between light or dark mode. Simple toggle options here will let you choose your preferred mode. If you like the fresh, clear appearance, switch to light mode. Conversely, if darker themes are your preference, you can easily revert to dark mode. Once you've made your selection, the change should apply immediately, giving you an instant preview of your preferred theme. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to switch between light and dark modes in Microsoft Clipchamp. Whether you're looking to brighten up your workspace or make it a bit easier on the eyes during those long editing sessions, you now have the power to tailor Clipchamp's appearance to match your needs. Thanks for watching.